Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a kind of sit down video with you. It is not a vlog, but it's kind of like in a vloggy style just because, you know, I'm still in Italy. And in this video, I really wanted to show you guys something that is so freaking exciting. Literally, okay. First of all, I just want to kind of throw out a disclaimer here because if you have been watching this channel for the past month and a half or so, then you noticed that I have done a couple of luxury bag unboxings. The Prada one was for me. The Louis Vuitton one is actually for my mom. But then I do have this to show you. And listen, I just don't want people thinking that I'm just out here just like spending a copious amount of money on luxury bags. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. If you have the money to do so, then you do you. But my mom actually told some friends of hers about my engagement and they chipped in together and got this bag for me. So please just don't think that I'm out here just like spending my life savings on these bags. I'm not. So I do want to do an unboxing of one of the most beautiful bags that I've ever seen in my life. As you can see, it is from DIOR. Christian Dior. I'm not French. I can't say it properly, but I am so freaking excited. I genuinely hope I'm able to fit like these boxes and stuff in my suitcase whenever I go back to America. And I really apologize if you can hear a dog barking outside. I had to find somewhere to film. I couldn't really film in Raf's room because he is trying to work. So I apologize if you can hear this freaking dog outside. This dog is a menace. It literally never stops barking. Also, if you can probably tell, I have definitely already opened this. I have been using this bag, but I haven't done an unboxing yet. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this bag, so go follow me on Instagram. I do post there daily, but I do want to still do an unboxing here on YouTube just because I think the unboxings are so much fun. So when you get any kind of Dior bag, it comes in this beautiful white box. If it's normal season, if it's like a holiday season or like a special time, then they could have different packaging. Here's this. And here is this right here. If you have not seen any of my Instagram posts, if you have no idea what bag that I did get, go ahead and try commenting it down below in the comments. And if you get it right, don't cheat though, but if you get it right, I will definitely heart your comment. And just kind of see what you think that I got before I even show you. And there's like a little swan inside there. Oh my god, I swear. Can you see it? Oh my god. Here is the bag that I did end up getting. I am so unbelievably excited. This is, if you know this bag, then you already know. Like, if you know, you know. This bag, for those of you that do not know or may not be aware, is the Lady Dior bag. This is one of Dior's like most classic styles. This came out in 1994 and it was actually named after Princess Diana, Lady Diana, and it's just amazing. Princess Diana actually carried this bag before it was even released. I believe Christian Dior or one of their I forget who it actually was, but they sent Diana a kind of like a prototype of the bag and she carried it around everywhere and she loved it, so they ended up renaming it after her. And it is that beautiful lamb skin. It's like the carnage print lamb skin, but it is just absolutely stunning, and it is in this beautiful like muted blush color, kind of like a mauve. It is so beautiful. It has a little bit of color to it, but it's not super bright, so it is kind of still a neutral. I can wear it with pretty much anything. It's got the beautiful light gold hardware, as you can see that there. I'm super glad that they had this in light gold. I don't think I would have got it if it was silver. It does have the little flap right here, and then on the inside you have your little strap. And again, I have already been wearing this, so I do have the little doodads on the strap. So when you get, this is the it's a small My Lady Dior, the ABC My Lady DIOR or something like that. And when you get this, you get to choose like 3 little charms. Hopefully you can see that. I hope it's in focus. But you get to pick 3 little charms and put it on your bag. I love this strap so much. It's really, really nice. I actually genuinely love carrying this as a top handle. I just feel like it is just so sturdy, and I just love the sound. I love the sound that it makes. I don't know why, but the strap will go on here. So you just put it on like that, and don't mind my outfit, please. I'm so sorry. And then you can wear it crossbody as well, and you have your little charms on the end. Now, one thing I will say about this bag that I have already noticed is that this bag is quite fragile when it comes to the leather. Now, it is lambskin, and I know lambskin is a little bit more gentle, a little bit more fragile than other like Saffiano leather. I've heard Saffiano leather can kind of be hit or miss. It depends on the brand you go with. But I know like the caviar leather from Chanel is like super durable. But I have heard from multiple people that the lambskin on here is a little bit more delicate, and I have already noticed that. I noticed that once when I was just taking this out. We only went to breakfast in the morning, and I was wearing some not black pants by any means, but I was wearing a darker colored denim. It wasn't like a super light wash. It was just like a slightly kind of like a medium toned denim short, and I had it crossbody, and it was just kind of like resting right here, and it like bled. Not the bag bled, like the dark denim dye like rubbed off on the back of this. And I was so mad. I cannot even tell you how mad I was, but I was able to get it off no problem. I didn't even use like anything. I don't know what I'm allowed to use on this. I assume I can't use water on this. I would never just put anything on here, but I was able to just kind of like use a like one of my t-shirts that was like a super light color, and I was able to like rub it off, so it was fine. But other than that, I will say if I were to ever get another one of these bags, I'd probably go with like a black, just so I could wear it with literally anything. However, I still just love this kind of blush color. Funny story, a quick little story time. This was probably the funniest thing that I've ever experienced being in a different country. When we went to, I got this in Venice, by the way. When we went to the DIOR store just to kind of look around, I had no intention of getting this bag. I saw it and I just thought the color was so pretty. I took a few pictures of me wearing it, and then I asked the lady, she speaks Italian, she's from Italy, so she speaks Italian, but she also spoke English pretty well too, and I said, what color is this called? And she said fard, like F-A-R-D, fard. And I didn't realize that's what she said at the time, and I just kept thinking she kept saying fart. Every time she would say fart, fart, and then I would be like fart, fart, and then I would look at Raph, and then he would be like, he was like half laughing, and then he was like, it's blush, it's like French for blush. And I was like, oh, because I genuinely just kept thinking she was saying fart. Yeah, so that happened. I didn't say anything like that to her. I didn't say that to her. I was just like, oh yeah, fart, that's great. Yeah, beautiful. That's a story on this bag. I love this bag to literal pieces. I wear this actually very, very often. I do think that this is, I believe that this can be a casual bag and a nighttime bag as well. I think that you can, depending on what you wear, you can dress it up or dress it down and make it whatever kind of style you want. I have worn this with shorts and a tank top, like a white tank top, and I've rocked this and I think it's beautiful. I wore this with like a white dress the other day for like date night, and I wore this too and it was beautiful. If I am wearing this more during the day, I will usually just wear the strap. If I carry it at night, I'll take the strap off and just carry it top handle because I think that's very sophisticated and cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this bag. I really hope that you do like it, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. Again, follow me on Instagram right here because I do post daily, and follow me on TikTok because I try to post as often as I can on TikTok. But again, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!